Hi everyone, welcome back. So guys, in this video we'll try to understand what is the difference between RAG versus fine tuning, because many people has this question when we have to perform the RAG, when we have to perform the fine tuning operation, and what is the difference between them. So see, both technique actually we use to extend the abilities of the large language model. Okay, see, when you have to use the fine tune approach, when you have to use the RAG approach, let's say you are working in a very specific domain with some specific data, okay, and with some specific task. That time actually you can use something called fine-tune approach, because whatever pre-trained large language model you will be using, it won't be having like these are the information. Let's say you are working in the field of medical, okay, medical domain, and there actually you are creating one bot, okay, you are creating one medical, let's say, information bot. So this will give you, let's say, medical related information, and here you are using very specific data. Okay, so this data actually was not used during training of this large language model. So that time what you can do, at the very first time you can do the fine-tune operation. That means you can fine-tune one pre-trained model and you can create this application. So let's say this is the application we created. Now user has given one question: what are the latest treatment for the type 2 diabetics? So whenever you train this model, so you provided actually these are the information. So the latest treatment for the type 2 diabetics include meditation like metformin, then lifestyle changes such as diet, exercise, and in some cases actually insulin therapy. So these are the information actually you have given during fine tune. These are the model. Now let's say there is a new treatment came. Now if you are asking the same question again to your, let's say, system, it will give you the same answer again and again, because it is already trained with your older data. Yes or no? So that new information actually it doesn't have. So it won't be able to give the new actually, let's say, technique for the, let's say, treatment of diabetics too. Now in case what you can do, you can use this new information and you can create a RAG based application. So what you have to do, you have to use the same LLM model only, but you will be creating one additional knowledge base. I think I showed you how to create the RAG. So with the help of this data, you will be creating one additional knowledge base, and with that knowledge base, you will be connecting your medical bot. Then your medical bot will be able to give the response, okay, from the latest, let's say, technique, from the latest information. Yes or no? Okay, now I think you got it. When we have to use the RAG technique, when we have to use the fine-tuning technique. Now see, here we are using RAG technique. Now if you are asking the same question, now here you will see that it will give you the recent treatment, okay, for the type 2 diabetics. Okay, the recent treatment, whatever actually it's came in the market. Okay, now I think this is clear when we have to use the fine-tuning technique, when we have to use the RAG based technique. And again, fine-tuning is like more costly. So for this you need huge amount of data. You need a good computational machine. That means you should have GPU, good configuration GPU, good configuration RAM. Okay, if you're not having this kinds of GPU, so you can't do the fine-tuning operation. That means in fine-tuning you are retraining that model, you are updating the weights, right, which is not involved inside RAG. So inside RAG actually we are not training any kinds of model. Instead of that, we are creating an additional knowledge base, and with the knowledge base actually we are connecting our large language model. Okay, this is the difference only. Fine. Now I think guys, you got the clear-cut idea what is the difference between RAG versus fine-tuning and when we have to use it. So even I will also show you how we can perform the fine-tuning operation. Okay, let's say if I want to create any specific task, how we can perform the fine-tuning operation out of our custom data.